The person superior listening me means I got important. The importance I got. Then the person is going to feel more comfortable. I told one faculty example, Durga. I'm paying per month 4.5 lakhs per month. I paid for an employee, one faculty. But he went out and is ready to work only for 2 lakhs. What is the difference is, here, day by day, his value is going down. That's why, okay, importance must be required for me. Okay, like he choose the other. Because here the reason is, he's with the bookish knowledge. But the other faculty is there. Wow, excellent person. Technically very strong person. He can't stand in front of this person. So his value going down day by day. If I'm here for multiple days, I may become zero, like that. Here, money, all these things are nothing. Importance matters a lot for the person. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So, compulsory listening habit, better to use, better to implement, then all the people are going to like see like anything. So, your richest car, your biggest, costly car is nothing in front of opposite person's new bicycle. Bugatti or Bugatti car. Your crores of rupees Bugatti car is also nothing in front of opposite person's new bicycle, matter of 3 or 4,000 rupees. In this perspective, your Bugatti car is important or is a new bicycle is important?
Cycle.
Cycle is
Bicycle.
important. Bicycle is important. Appreciate that person. What if you ask about his bicycle? Wow, which company, man? Why you choose this brand only? What is the special? Is there any secret in that? Talk about that. Don't talk about your Bugatti car. It's nothing. It's not important to the opposite person. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Most of the people are always telling, if a person is telling, hey, I bought a bicycle. Bicycle you bought. I got Bugatti car, man. Do you know how much cost is 18 crores in my Bugatti car? Your bicycle is 3,000, 4,000 rupees. Why? Stop nonsense talking about this cycle story with me. That opposite person never want to talk with you again in his life. Are you getting the secret?
Yes.
You are nothing. Your achievements are nothing. Your position is nothing. Give importance for the opposite person. Always listen them. Then they feel more comfortable. You will become people magnet.